Hello and welcome back to today's kitchen. It's been a little while, but I'm back again. Okay, so today let's go with this beautiful crunchy akara recipe that tastes so delicious and it's very easy to make in the blender. Okay, so let's dive into it. For our gravy we need some onions, bell peppers. This is some scotch bonnet pepper and cayenne pepper, black pepper, and some maggi seasoning or salt. That's all we need for our onion gravy to go with the akara. You can have this akara on its own, but if you want, you can have some gravy on the side and have it in a bread as a sandwich as well. And that's how we normally eat it. And finally, some beans. So we're gonna soak this for 10 minutes. For 10 minutes, wash it off and put in a blender. Some water, and using the pulse option, we're gonna pulse this a few times until the skin and the inside of the black eyed peas separate. It's all set. Now I'm gonna pour in some water. Okay. The skin should separate from the actual beans. Okay, pour in all that. We're gonna keep doing this until all the cells are out and all we have left is the white part of the beans. Set. Now it's all clean. I'm going to add in some water and let it soak in that water for 3 hours. After 3 hours, drain all the water. Okay, you don't want any water left in this, so drain all the water and we're gonna blend this. It's soft. Okay, now I'm just gonna add in some red onions and a little bouillon with salt. Okay, just a little bit. You don't want to put in a lot of salt. Okay, so just a pinch of salt. I added in a little bit of maggi. Now I'm going to blend this again until it becomes smooth before we whip it. The akara is all set and so smooth. I was going to whip it, but it is so smooth right now that I'm not going to whip it. Okay, so I'm going to transfer this into a bowl and add in my veggies. This is optional. Okay, like this, just like this. You can fry it like that, or if you want to be fancy, you can add in some of these veggies, spring onions, bell peppers, and some red onions. Okay, add it to that and start frying. With my pot set, I add in my oil. We're gonna be deep frying this, so add enough oil to deep fry. With my oil on medium-high heat, I'm gonna scoop some of the mixture and in it goes. Now we're gonna fry it until golden brown. You don't want your oil to be too hot, else it's gonna be brown on the outside and raw in the inside. So it has to be like this. And we should not overcrowd our pot while doing this. Okay, so we're not gonna let it fry until golden brown, flipping it when necessary. Now it's all set. Just look at how beautiful this is. We're gonna drain the excess oil and add to a paper towel, and we're gonna be repeating this whole step for the rest of our mixture. For the gravy, we're going to use the same oil that we fried the akara in. Just add it in and fry. So we're gonna fry these onions until they're golden brown. Add in a little water for all the juicy ingredients sticking at the bottom to also be released, and it's set. Our gravy is all set. There you have it. Bon appetit and see you next Saturday. Bye bye.